Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to uninstall Office Mac. First, open your Applications folder and drag all Microsoft Office applications, like Word, Excel, and PowerPoint, to the trash. This initial step removes the main program files from your system. Empty the trash immediately after moving the applications to ensure they are no longer on your computer. This process is crucial for a clean removal. Now, let's make sure you've removed all the core applications. Go to your Applications folder and locate any remaining Microsoft Office programs. Drag each one, including Outlook, OneNote, and OneDrive, to the trash. Once all are in the trash, right-click the trash icon in your dock and select Empty Trash. This action ensures the primary applications are gone, clearing significant space. Next, we need to tackle the supporting files. Open Finder, click Go in the menu bar, and select Go to Folder. Type ~library and press Enter. Navigate to the Containers folder and delete any folders starting with COM, Microsoft. Also, check Group Containers for similar folders. These contain important preference and cache files that need to be removed for a thorough cleanup. To complete the uninstallation, restart your Mac. This helps clear any lingering processes and ensures all changes take effect. After restarting, you can optionally search your system for any remaining Microsoft or Office files to confirm a clean slate. Remember, a thorough uninstall prevents potential conflicts with future software. Also, if you're looking to freshen up your ride, check the description for a link to Little Tree's Black Ice and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.